Welcome to an exploration of how artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape for small businesses. Many think AI is only for tech giants, but that's simply not true anymore. AI tools are becoming incredibly accessible and powerful for businesses of all sizes. For students like yourselves, understanding AI's role in small business is crucial. It prepares you for future careers, whether you're starting your own venture or working for an existing company. AI offers significant advantages in efficiency and cost savings. At its core, AI for small businesses involves using intelligent software to automate tasks and gain insights. This isn't about building complex robots, but rather leveraging smart algorithms. These tools can learn from data and perform actions that traditionally require human effort. Think of it as having a highly efficient, tireless assistant. This assistant can handle repetitive tasks, analyze information, and even interact with customers. The goal is to free up valuable time and resources for business owners. One of AI's most immediate benefits is its ability to save time. Repetitive administrative tasks often consume a significant portion of a small business owner's day. AI can automate many of these processes, allowing owners to focus on strategic growth. Consider customer service. AI-powered chatbots can handle common inquiries, answer frequently asked questions, and even guide customers through basic troubleshooting. This provides instant support, even outside of business hours. Data entry and organization are other time sinks. AI tools can automatically extract information from documents, categorize data, and update records. This drastically reduces manual input errors and speeds up workflows. AI can also assist with content creation for marketing. Tools can generate social media posts, email drafts, or even blog outlines based on a few prompts. This accelerates marketing efforts and maintains a consistent online presence. Scheduling and appointment booking can be streamlined with AI. Smart calendars can manage availability, send reminders, and even reschedule appointments automatically. This minimizes no-shows and optimizes time management. Beyond saving time, AI offers substantial financial benefits for small businesses. Automation directly reduces labor costs associated with manual tasks. This means fewer hours spent on routine work, leading to lower operational expenses. Improved marketing efficiency is another key area. AI can analyze customer data to identify purchasing patterns and preferences. This allows businesses to create highly targeted advertising campaigns, maximizing their return on investment. Personalized marketing messages generated by AI lead to higher conversion rates. Instead of broad campaigns, businesses can deliver relevant content to individual customers. This makes every marketing dollar work harder. Inventory management can also be optimized by AI. Predictive analytics can forecast demand, helping businesses order the right amount of stock at the right time. This reduces waste, storage costs, and the risk of stockouts. Fraud detection is another powerful application. AI algorithms can identify unusual transaction patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity. This protects businesses from financial losses and enhances security. The good news is that AI tools are increasingly accessible and affordable for small businesses. Many solutions are cloud-based, requiring no complex software installation or expensive hardware. Subscriptions are often flexible and scalable. Platforms like CRM systems, marketing automation tools, and customer support software now frequently integrate AI features. This means businesses can leverage AI within tools they might already be using. For students, exploring these readily available tools is an excellent way to understand practical AI applications. Many offer free trials or freemium versions, allowing hands-on experience without significant investment. For a small business, the first step is to identify a specific pain point that AI could address. Is it customer service, marketing, or administrative overload? Starting small with one targeted solution is often the most effective approach. Researching available AI tools and comparing their features and pricing is crucial. Many resources and communities exist to help small business owners navigate these choices. Learning from others' experiences can be very beneficial. Embracing AI is not about replacing human workers entirely, but about augmenting their capabilities. It allows employees to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic tasks. This leads to greater job satisfaction and overall business growth. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a practical tool for today's small businesses. By automating tasks, optimizing processes, and providing valuable insights, AI helps businesses save both time and money. For students, understanding these applications is vital for future success in any industry. AI empowers small businesses to compete more effectively, innovate faster, and achieve sustainable growth in a dynamic market.